It's been a fabulous show. So over the last few days we've got to meet with so many people in such a quick pace of time. We've learned lots of things about industry trend. Other things that we've heard about is people's predictions on the big companies and on the big products. So we've heard lots of different perspectives, and that's real important for Spirit executives, because as we strategize about the future and the different lines of business in which we operate, so it gives you perspective on some of the energy and where we're placing our energy and resources. Farnborough happens one year, Paris the next. It's the occasion each year when all of the companies are in the same place at the same time. So it is very, very efficient. I can't think of another way in which we'd be able to achieve the same amount of airtime with our different suppliers, customers and other stakeholders that we work with.